Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Hey. Glad to see you there. Welcome to my neighborhood. You know, that's still on the ground. Subframe, it's not in yet. It's because it doesn't just fit, because you know, the install video doesn't mention that, you know, you gotta like cut a piece of the subframe out, or like cut piece of the body out, or like cut part of the gas tank out, or any of that, unless you watch the other video, which doesn't really have anything to do with this video. But luckily when I called the company, they're like, yeah, for sure, you definitely have to cut that out. So I went a little overboard here, cutting stuff out, because I'm gonna just, you know, put a tube across instead of boxing in the subframe, the chassis, because I don't like that. I think it's sketchy. But yeah, hopefully after week 16, we can get a rear subframe in the car. Stay tuned. Does it not have a drain? Oh, it does, it's leaking. That tracks. Think it's gonna come out?
I think so.
It's too big. Okay. Okay, that seems sus. We're gonna try it anyways though. See how long I can hold fuel for. Okay, we got some dripping happening. Okay. You know what's funny?
What's up?
I didn't think of how much gas is in here.
I was about to ask you that.
Because I'm pretty sure I filled it up before I came. What the hell is that?
Yeah, I was looking at that. It's like plastic or something.
It's in the tank though.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not working. Oh, there we go. Now it's empty. Well, it should be lower than all the fuel lines now, so I can put the plug back in. Oh, I think it's in there. I think I dropped the plug in the first one. I think.
Oh yeah, I think it's, yeah, right there.
Oh, you can see it?
Yep.
Nice.
Right there.
I'm gonna put the hand that it doesn't have an open wound on it. At least it's clean now. Oh, it's probably the tape. It's probably the Teflon. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Grass. Okay. In the middle of the night. Hopefully I can hold this one. Oh yeah! Oh, it's still got gas in it. Oh! What is that?
Oh yeah.
What is that?
I still got a lot of that.
Okay. Bro! Can you? Oh, come on, we got wires on top. Mother father.
A few moments later.
Not one at a time, all of them at the same time, bro. Who cares?
That's not that big.
That back one. Yeah, push lock. Oh yeah, cut that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No! Not so aggressive, you're pushing into me. That wasn't even the right spot. Thank you. Covered in gas. That's a custom bushing. So like, you're telling me that
The feed and return is at the bottom of the tank. The filler neck's over here, but then the fuel pump's up here. And then, you know, just ran out of bolts, so just use the Phillips head. Just put the Phillips head here, you know, because we just ran out. So just put that there. This does look like a polishing wheel for sure, though. It's custom bushing, spacer. So I gotta get this out. Well, how? I was actually gonna cut it from the inside. That way I could cut like the top section here out. And then cut this from the bottom side. It's probably this exact square that you cut out.
That makes sense. I think that's like right around where I was hitting.
Yeah. Can just a heads up though, like if it catches on fire, could you give me a second before you just spray it, like, cause it might go out. If it doesn't go out with like a, then you can spray it, okay? Maybe, okay. Maybe one person monitor the ground, one person monitor the car. I think that's a good. Okay.
What you got? Follow ground?
You ready?
Ground?
I got everything, bro.
Here we go. We should make a subwoofer, you know?
He got me dropped it. We should make a boom.
So when you need more light to work on under the car, you just cut a hole in it.
Skylight.
Yes. So skylight. Oh, you look so pretty. So do you. Here we go. Ready? You ready? Keep looking. Luckily, Arlen noticed.
Here, I got you. Look.
They're not. It's not on the dead man.
Here, I got you, dog.
But like, it's
Jeez.
what?
It's really
It's like it's because this is cut off.
and the fuel tank's missing, and the spare tire wall, and the whole rear suspension.
When I put the subframe up,
Yeah.
it'll come back down. Huh?
Is that working?
Yeah, I think I might need a new blade, but I mean, I'm like 50%.
It's not on at all? It's not on at all?
No.
I should put some on it.
Like-
Just put a little something in there, dog. Give it a little, just give it a little something.
Yeah, give it a
Daddy.
little.
Little something. A little more. Little more.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it tells you how much is on this part. Dog. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That's the one
Oh,
you
it's
need
the
to
corner?
lift up.
There we go. Okay.
You good? You on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty close. What do you think I should do with this? You think I should like grind it flush or just weld it to the body and then weld the piece in? Because like I just realized this isn't very thin. It's just gonna hold the floor from vibrating.
I'd cut all the way up to here.
Yeah, you make it flush?
No, take that all out.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So what I would do is I'd put the bar as close to the floor being flat as possible.
Right.
And then on the top, just drill holes through the floor and just
Tack it
weld
into it?
from the top, yeah. Because really, it's not for the floor, it's for the two frame rails.
No, it's for the floor. Like
No, but I'm saying structural wise, the tube is only to keep these two
from twisting, yeah.
from twisting.
Yeah, the floor is extra.
The floor is, yeah,
It's creature comfort.
with what you're doing. So I would just drill holes every 2 inches or so and then just plug weld it in.
Okay, so just weld the beam. Okay.
Yeah, but I would, like I said, I'd get it as tight as.
I mean, it's touching it. It's like fluid. Okay. It's in it. This shit is it's in it.
Yeah. I think I just cut it off right there and go right to this.
Well, I figured.
Because you see this
tied,
is hollow?
Yeah, but it's tied in right here too, though. Like into this piece, which is why I don't want to go all the way back.
What is that? Oh, the strut tower?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't want to cut that far back because the strut tower's right there. So I figure if the bar is right there, at least it supports the front of the
So
strut
you're
tower.
gonna plate this into this? Like,
No, I was just gonna gusset the bar because the bar will be right under this, and I'll stitch the bar into this once the bar is in. So like ideally, I put this in. Wait. Okay. I mean the bar's already welded with this in it, but this is in there. Okay, and then I weld the plates in, and then I stitch everything else in.
you're making this too complicated. I would have left this the same and plated this
You left piece
and
I
this.
just cut off.
Like I would have made this flat and flat. Did you see the piece you just cut
I
off?
I thought about that after I cut it off, and I was like,
Because then you could have put the tube in there pretty close to it and just welded.
well, I figure if I weld the tube to it, it's about the same.
Yeah.
Because these I have like I'm doing like this number. Like once the tube is in there,
Oh, so you're gonna go like
I'm gonna
down
gusset the
and
tube.
bam.
Exactly.
Are you gonna enclose the ends or
It's
not?
like yeah. After it's gusseted, I'll measure it and gut. So it's supposed to be like that number, like that.
Yeah, that's too.
So like yeah, I know, but I always do too much.
Like I said, you just cut it all the way back. Cut the floor out, and then build a gusset to the plate.
Yeah. Blast it. Okay, I guess that's pretty good. Let's see. I was just gonna MIG weld this piece of the bar, so it seems like I MIG weld.
I would just leave it just like this right now. Before you get
I mean,
devastated.
I gotta
Big welding the body's probably gonna devastate.
I gotta prep all this too.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you got so much time before. I would take that back out and prep it,
Yeah, probably.
so you're not blowing all that all over it.
Yeah, probably.
What's up, fam? Oh, God. Hey there. Long time no see. Where's the Datsun, you ask? It's on the other side of this wall. Why is it there? Because I haven't worked on it. Why haven't I worked on it? This baby right here. This is a Winter's Performance quick changer differential. This specific model by Drift HQ. What does that do? It puts their logo on the back of it. So yeah, this is not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to cut the rear subframe all up, redesign the entire thing to make it fit. I'll probably have to redesign the floor, but it's no problem because I have 3D scanning technology now. But yeah, this is really awesome because it's a quick change diff, so you can actually pick almost any final drive ratio you want and make it happen, which is really useful when you have a G42 and you want to drive on the street and track. And so that way you can have shorter ratios on the street and longer ratios on the track, so you can enjoy it in both places. So you could run like a 511 on the street and like a 360 on the track, so that'd be cool. In addition to that, I may have purchased a dry sump that nobody knows about yet. But yeah, you know, I needed it because I needed to finish the fab in the engine bay, right? Well, yeah, until next time.